So this thing definitely sunk in. Like I said, it's from Tractor Supply. I don't know. Did I say that correctly the first time? I don't know if I said Harbor Freight by accident, but it's Tractor Supply. $100 for these. They look very nice. But they're on the thinner side, but I guess it makes them light. Now we just put it on the ground and look, it just sunk in there deep, and it was all on level. It sunk all, and we just bought some of these little gray cinder block type things, those little pavers, I think they're called, and put it on there. Hopefully that'll help. I guess it would redistribute the weight, so it won't sink as much. So we got a few more. We're gonna put a few more beds over in this area. The Groundworks raised garden bed with stand. Actually, it says 2 free assembly. Let's see how that is right now. So the whole no tool assembly thing is like these little things. Like look, they slide in there, and they're kind of like this, and then you just like slide it back. So it was really just one turn. I did some extra screws. I'll figure this out, but basically that's what I mean by no tool. Yeah, so it looks like you just put it to the side and twist it once to block it.
Okay.
And it probably will fix when you put the other side in. That's the no tool insulation. We should put the cross beams. They just go in there like that. Gotta make sure it comes out the bottom. Okay. Alright, more slots over there, right? Grab the other one. Alright. How'd you do it by yourself last time?
Huh?
How'd you do it by yourself last time?
Figured it out on this?
No, but it didn't fall apart in you like this?
Yeah, a few times.
You got like one of these grow bag type things, like a black, almost like those wheat barriers, but it's a little a basket made out of it. Kind of thin, but more sturdy than just paper. Well, I guess it's kind of, yeah, it gets sturdier when you put dirt in it. You want it in the corner?
Yeah, I want more of that.
So we're moving into the corner here. cover on the bottom. Make sure you poke holes. I almost forgot that part too. Turn the camera. Alright, we'll end up getting it all in. Put some room so it doesn't have to all be expensive dirt. Plus it holds in moisture and rot turns. That's the good stuff for the soil. Put an organic raised bed mix.
That's good. That's good for the other one.
We're mixing
Let's do
some
this
garden
one.
soils too. Let me see.
One.
Alright, so we're gonna also put some of this garden soil. Wait, it's different. It's the same as the other one's garden soil, right? Just different brand.
Yeah.
So we put some compost we have. That's eggshell, not plastic. Not plastic. Still working on a third one. So this is a lot easier. I ain't shaping, there we go. I just hooked it in right here. Oh, damn it. Okay, it's a lot easier to do it like that. Turn it down in like this. There's a 7 loaves, man.